Isang magandang umaga sa inyo lahat mga ka-GG. Or magandang hapon or magandang gabi kung nasan man kayo. For today's video, samahan nyo ako mga ka-GG dahil may function na naman tayo. May pupuntahan tayo mga ka-GG. Ibang lugar naman. So may ano tayo, Helsinki area, Konala. Magtatapon lang akong basura. Samahan nyo ako. Kasama ko ngayon si Ansi. Tapos first time ko lang din mag-duty. Ano kami, lunch service. Time 8:50 na train yung kukunin ko. Dapat ang meet up namin ni Ansi doon 9:30 na umaga. Tapos ang start ng lunch namin 10:30. Hindi ko alam kung late ako or maaga pa ako, pero mas okay na mas maaga kasi hanapin ko pa yung lugar eh. First time ko doon. Pinasunod lang ako ni Ansi doon. So mga ka-GG, andito na ako sa train station. Ang sasakyan pala nating train pa airport. So sa kabila tayo pupunta. So kamusta kayo lahat mga ka-GG? Sana okay lang kayo dahil kami, okay lang din kami. Medyo kayod, busy, dire-diretso. Nag-start na si Hazel, dire-diretso na rin sa work. Tapos abangan nyo masusunod mga ka-GG. Dahil parating na yung brother ko mga ka-GG. Samahan nyo ako pag dating ng brother ko. Tutulungan natin siya kung paano mga diskarte dito, mga galawan. Susundin natin siya sa airport mga ka-GG. Siguro mga ano lang yun, 1 week or 2 weeks max, mga ganun. Naghihintay na lang siya nung ano niya, visa, nung card. Pero okay na na-approve na mga ka-GG. Pupunta tayo sa ano, Canel Maki. Kung taga saan si Leo ngayon. Doon tayo pupunta mga ka-GG.
Kitos.
Ayan, may nag-check ng ticket mga ka-GG. So dapat lagi tayo may ano, ticket pag nasa train. Pagsakay pa lang ng train, may ticket ka na, hindi yung pagsakay mo ng train tsaka pa lang bibili ng ticket. Ang fine nila dito ano, 80 euros. 80 times, siguro ang palitan yan mga 62 euros. Ay, 62 pesos per 1 euro. So 80 times 62 mga ka-GG. 4,960 mga ka-GG. 4,960 ang babayaran pag nahuli ka. So ngayon si Hazel, hati niya na si Siki sa daycare. Tapos magbabas na siya diretso sa work, diretso sa Roslund. Kasama na ngayon si Leo at si Carla. Pero si Hazel, ano siya, Valivoro or middle shift. Ano siya, taga-prep, taga-tulong sa kusina, taga-hugas ng pinggan, taga-serve ng pagkain. Ganun mga ka-GG. Si Mang Tomas, kung tawagin namin, all around. Ganun ang work ni Hazel ngayon. Yan. Tapos siguro kami ni Ansi, mag-serve kami na lunch doon. Ang tapos namin mga alas 3, mga ganun. 2:30, alas 3, mga ganun tapos namin. Tapos babalik kami ng Roslund, ibabusak namin yung mga gamit. Tapos ang weather pala natin ngayon mga ka-GG, weather update muna tayo. Ang weather natin ay 17. Tapos abot ng 21 mamaya mga ka-GG, medyo mainit. 23. Tapos sulubog yung araw mga ka-GG, alas 10. 10:30 ng sunset natin. Mostly sunny. So magiging busy sila mga ka-GG. Kaya ano, lagi din ako nag-check ng weather kasi doon mo malalaman kung gaano ka-busy yung restaurant. Kasi syempre kapag maganda yung araw, yung mga fins gustong gusto nila na nagbibilad sa araw. Pag nagla-lunch sila, katulad sa Rosalund, magba-vlog si Hazel doon for sure. So abangan niyo mga ka-GG. Tapos bukas naman, mag-i-smoke ulit ako. Kailangan ko mag-smoke ng 200 kilograms mga ka-GG. 200 kilos ng ng brisket. Kapag nag-smoke na ako eh. So may kulang pa ako. Tapos Hazel, marami din siyang prep ngayon. Abangan nyo sa vlog mga ka-GG. So mga Yuji, andito na tayo sa Rexel.
Nyt suora. Hyvä. Niin. Kiitos.
What are we using for this one, Nancy? Sausages.
Yeah.
We don't have the white one, no? Or it's here?
This.
Just. So it's just because only sinapi. We don't have ketchup or something.
No.
No, just sinapi, no?
I think I have 1,000 sausages with me.
1,000 bucks, yeah.
Close to. Maybe like 800.
Yeah. Pero na, cream potatoes. Kerma pero nut. So mga GG, chill lang tayo. Ano na, marami na kumain. Update ko kayo mamaya kung ano mangyayari. So mga GG, ano na tayo, baklas na tayo. Ano na, sasarado na ni Ansi yung top box. Tapos ililipat ko lang ito sa mga plato. Mga GG, okay na. Tapos ng halaban. Huwag na tayo. Nahalagay natin ng tabak sa likod. Basic. Mga GG, dito tayo sa Roslu Kalasatama. I-truck natin. up?
Okay,
What's up?
my man. What up, Doc?
All good.
Oh, good.
Et sä ottanut sen sun ruoan jo?
Otinko?
Joo.
Ei, vittu. Sorry. Ei ole aivan messissä, ei todella. Ei kerran.
The ribs are over.
Really? Sold out?
Yeah, we sold like...
We still have there, oh.
No.
There.
We didn't know. But there is not lots of them.
And then you didn't give this one. I sliced this one yesterday. The Marbury. 1 kilo, 250 nearly a renta.
What the
The
fuck?
Marbury. That one is extra. We don't
No
eat
one
that
told
one.
us. No one
How much
told
were
us.
in the extra bag?
We didn't know.
Okay. How much was in the...
I don't know.
Less or more?
Yes. I think it's like 500 grams or something. Big order, 1 kilo.
Otamme tää jäätelöä. En mä tarvitse, kiitos. Niin. Mä annan vaan se, onks testistä? Onko sä siinä käynyt? Mä voin vaan viedä
Se ihan sikanala.
No voinko mä nyt eteen vai?
Ei, mutta siis se, että me ollaan annettu se päälle.
No niin. Sairas.
Hah?
Sairas.
Mikä?
Sairas. Hello guys, it's Karla and Emmi. We made a mistake and now we're trying to... We look like Jesus.
Wait, Jesus. How much you did for lunch?
We only sold like 58 of the ribs. Yeah, but we don't have the mac and cheese anymore. So oli joku 3,678. What 78? 3,648 and 54 cents. That's nice. And then there is Leo. Leo,
Hey, I'm very sorry.
mitä hittoa?
There is someone we know.
There is Veera. There is Veera. Shout out to Veera. Say hi. Hi. Okay.
Onks se nyt se?
Maailmanfile. We messed up the shabu shabu. Shabu shabu.
Can I have one lunch burger, please?
If you have one lunch burger, please. Okay. Bye bye.
Mitä sä?
Siirrytä tuon boksiin.
Just a moment.
Olet siellä kakaa. Sillä on jo varattu, sillä on vaimo. Ja 2 lasta. Eikä se olis meitä joko pihillä naamaa.
Mä heitän. Mä annan vähän vauhtia.
Yhteistyöstä molempia poskiin samaan aikaan.
Mutta mä haluan nyt soittaa sille Robin Marikalle. No. Hei, tossa taas se on. Ei kun tää on tää päivä.
Marika mummo. Marika granny. Grandpa Leo. Keng. Grandpa Keng.
Keng is the famous YouTuber
No.
Keng is the old one. And then there is the grandpa and the child. And then there is some random dude.
It's your shit, yeah.
Capilitedas. Sa ano, Roholati.
Mä tunnistin se äänessä, oli oikein kelpo. Kuule mitään, ei vaan kuulosta.
Today morning.
Yeah.
I don't have the GNs. Can you bring them to me? Then I took gonna like. Yep.
Because puta.
Puita. Wood.
Ah, okay. You know what puta in our language?
Huh?
Beach. Puta. Like a beach puta. What the fuck? When you Latin of puta.
So you can say you look like bitch when you mean you look like
Puta. Yeah, puta. Like in Spanish puto, right? For
Yeah,
a boy,
puta.
puto. Tato, inamin ako eh. Bakit?
Emmi, arvaa mikä on Filippiinei. Filipino. How do you say it?
Ang kita?
Filipino.
Filipini. Filipini.
Like a language.
Tagaloa.
No, not on your language.
Filipino.
What do you speak in Philippines?
Tagalog. Filipino Kieli. Ay, Mita.
Yeah.
Filipini Lainen Kieli.
Burgeri. Olla burgeri. Joo.
On.
I love it over here. Niin. Puu on äidinkielellä bitch.
Ei oo. Enkä voisi tuoda noin elegantti.
On tulee sama pöytä.
Joo.
I love it over here.
Joo.
Ei saada kiinni. Yeah, I love it over here. Otetaan nyt, mitä se sanotaan, mutta siinä on jotain, oops, I took your bitch. Yeah, I love it over here.
Näitkö sen muistella peruskoulun TikTokin?
I just wrote down what Leo said. Why we need more when we have three over there? Yeah.
No, it's just game.
You are so short you can see. Yeah. There. It's too high. No.
Anyone plays just with Caritalina, so...
Tällaista mulla on täällä joka päivä. Tällaista mä kestän.
Näitkö sen muistella TikTokin Anna?
Kuinka hyvä!
Se oli niin vaikea Anna.
Like Gigi. Meron ka pang ano, french fries sa likod. Tatlo. We should have fries at the back always.
I told him like I hate him. Can you say that again?
Chives. I need chives tomorrow. Rojo Shikoli. I have to make 65 liters of ranch.
65.
Yeah.
So I buy like 5.
Maybe 8.
8.
Yeah.
Showtime.
Showtime.
Showtime. Showtime.
Showtime.
Oletko sen lähetyksessä?
Joo. Mä oon famous tuolla. Kerroin sen, kerroin Hekingille Euroopan erosta videolla. Ja sitten joku kommentoi siinä, että don't worry Karlo, here is lots of good Philippine men on here.
Another good story. But we will give this to Ronald. If you want some.
already did.
Soitti tänne ja oli tälleen, oisko Antti Korppisto?
They ask Antti.
Voiko tehdä tästä joku semmoisen, can you make this like edit when they poured the cheese and we were like... Jeez.
So cheesy.
Like Carla.
If you can make that girl laugh and giggle, you can make that booty shake and jiggle.
I will taste your mac and cheese. Just little. God, it's too much.
Hey, don't. It's too much.
Leo?
Yeah.
Do you want to know my secret talent?
What?
I know that everybody in here can do this, but this is also my secret. I have place and my is hard.
Kauas pois, teistä vittu köyhistä. Kauas pois.
Fine, that's pretty much. Usually I only get 3 or 4. But today,
How much is food?
5.
Right? Like,
How much actually here? I can carry it forward, so 3 here.
Do I put all of it?
yeah, give it. Roll it.
Kolmonen AMG.
But maybe Roland now somebody needs it.
Maybe
Because
Roland
they run
knows.
out of product. So they did some marriages so they can sell the wine.
What's that? There's joke again. Leo jokes. What did he say?
You can't call those jokes. This is your
No,
hair.
I'm a lot alone.
You have to cut this part from it.
I have alone.
It's blonde.
It's not. It's not. What the hell, boys? It's not.
That's black.
That's black. Look, just like yours. That's your fucking mustache.
Muistakaa sitten, että se on kaikki tulee vaan videolle. Kaikki
Se varmaan voi editoida.
Can you put those in so everybody knows that's Leo's mustache?
Yeah,
Or in our
of course.
food.
No, you have to go.
I will put it in the bloopers at the end of the video.
At the end of
Bloopers.
the year, you will all the roast
Yeah.
in one video.
Oh.
You have to do that.
I have to fart at least once. It could be your intro.
Runny.
Welcome to Ruslund.
Kasi kailangan si to buy more plates.
Di na ako nakapuro dito eh.
Lautanin.
I think all fancy orders don't go for somewhere. And we also need
Yeah.
more coffee.
What's that?
A big glass.
Yeah.
Because I think that's enough for inside for the summer, but we need
Yo.
like more, yeah. And I bought yesterday more of those glasses.
Are you vlogging?
Why?
I can show them a picture.
Show them.
This is me yesterday morning when I almost crashed because I was so tired with my car.
That was it. It's good now.
Yeah, I didn't crash. Like it was just like I
Yeah, almost no.
but I was pretty tired.
Oh.
And I can show them a picture of Carla too.
Show them. Ito pa.